I had a conversation with my 17-year-old niece over the holidays, and we were talking about New Year's resolutions. I'm a big fan. And she was telling me about a TikTok trend where rather than traditional resolutions, you make a list of your ins and outs. So out with the old and in with the new. And I took the bait and I came up with a list of my own ins and outs. Out with having a mid afternoon snack that was a bowl of cereal, in with a mid afternoon snack that was veggies and hummus. Out with lamenting that my kids are getting older and they're growing up so fast and I don't have a lot of time with them. And in with scheduled, intentional 1 hour a week of quality time with each kid. I'm a communications coach, and so I immediately thought, how can we use this out with the old, in with the new approach for you, my friends and clients? And I started thinking about conversation. And what if you did something like out with distracted conversation where you're staring at your cell phone during half of it, and in with intentional eye contact, putting the phone down and really connecting. Out with winging it for a presentation, in with practicing 2 to 3 times before you get in front of an audience so you can feel confident in what you're saying. Out with wordy, convoluted PowerPoint slides that really just detract from you, the speaker, and in with intentional visual aids that serve to enhance what it is that you're saying and keep the attention focused on you, the speaker. So I want you to think about it. In terms of your communication life, what needs to be your ins and your outs? I'd love to have you brainstorm on that. What is a communication behavior where you can say, nope, you're an out? And then what could you bring in to replace it? I'd love to have you shoot me an email or comment on my socials and let me know what are your ins and outs for the year. I hope you have a great new year.